Start by protecting your sill. Here, he's using a flexible sill pan. Added to this sill is a piece of plywood to the interior to act as a back dam, since the window sill will not go all the way back. Place composite shims on sill and check for level. Add sealant roughly half an inch from the rough opening, but skip the upper corners. Check for plumb. Measure to confirm your rough opening width and height. After clearing the opening and unit of debris, place unit in opening. Fasten the high side of the low corner with a 2-inch galvanized roofing nail through the flange. Fasten the upper corners to help stabilize the unit. Check for plumb, level, and square. In the interior, check for plumb. Begin shimming 4 inches from the bottom. Here, he is using stackable composite shims. Repeat on other side. Measure and check reveals. Shim 4 inches down from top corner. Remember, when shimming, not too tight, but not too loose. Measure for square. Repeat on other side. Check for plumb. Operate window to ensure smooth motion and proper function. Here, he has found a bowed side jamb. Rather than pushing the jamb over and putting a nail through it, he carefully pulls the sash to the right and temporarily places a shim between the sash and the frame, which allows the unit to find its neutral position. Apply shims at the check rail. Remove the temporary shim between the sash and frame. Check the operation of the window. Apply backer rod to create a back dam. After, place a bead of sealant over the top of the backer rod. On the exterior, check for plumb. Finish securing the unit in the opening, starting at the check rail, fastening every other hole. Place corner gaskets in the corners, ensuring proper lap-up onto the frame. Lift up the vinyl drip edge and place a dollop of sealant there. Bring it down, squeeze it out, and push it in. Create a high-pressure skirt roughly 6 inches longer than the window with a piece of WRB and flashing tape, making sure the materials are compatible. Attach the skirt to the nail flange. Apply flashing tape to side flange, ensuring proper lap-up onto the frame. Roofers cut the corners. Repeat on other side. Apply the flashing tape on the top flange and roofers cut the corners. This tape requires the manufacturer's roller to ensure enough pressure was used and be protected under warranty. In the interior, apply a bead of low expansion foam between the shims.